Let's take a tour of the Glen House. It's a hotel at Mount Washington. The vibe is cozy with a touch of luxury.
Okay, this is the room tour of the Glen House.
You can certainly bring families, but it's also adorable for a weekend getaway for a couple.
Nice barn door detail. And bathroom.
You're minutes away from Wildcat Mountain, owned by Vail Resorts. It's an adorable mountain, and you are also right on the property of world-class Nordic skiing thanks to the Glen Trails. Back at the resort, grab a cozy seat by the fire, inside or outside, and a custom cocktail. Watch the big game or catch up on your reading. There's also a restaurant that serves breakfast and dinner. Kids love splashing around in the indoor pool. The Glen House makes a great home base for your mountain adventures in New Hampshire.